When the Caucasoid studies diseases, he sees that most of the diseases that start up as a result of the incursion of white blood cells. White blood cells actually come into play in your body when a disease is present. So let's look at that scenario. When the white man came to prominence, obviously the body of the black consciousness must have been diseased. So the only way that a disease or a response to the disease can take over a whole body is if that body was somehow in decay to begin with. So the natural progression to a diseased state would be nature responding the way she does in microcosm as she does in macrocosm. So if we look at a microcosmic response to diseases as the evidence of leukocytes or white blood cells, as we call them, they become evident when you see disease happening. Now, overload of these white blood cells would create leukemia. So you see people die from leukemia because there's an overload of white blood cells. For instance, when you eat a piece of pork, your white blood cell count rises to the level of a person who has leukemia. That's correct. So if you eat a piece of pork and you wait for a while and then draw blood, there would be enough leukocytes and white blood cells in your system that if nobody knew any better, they would say that you have a leukemic situation. So something had to happen to the physical reality of what we call people of color, our melanated brothers and sisters. It either had to be the ending of a time, or the wearing out, or the end result, or the epilogue. Let's just say this. The epilogue to our spiritual journey in the flesh as people of color was our cessation from the illusions that we were participating in. And as that body died for our lack of participation in it, in came the white man.